Okay, I wanted to do a video very quickly to show you how to join a Zoom meeting. I'm going to be inviting parents in small groups and students to come to a Zoom meeting, which is an online meeting. The app is already on your student's iPad. It's this blue square with a white camera on it. Below it says Zoom, and that is what you're going to want to choose. This is the screen you'll see when you choose it. And you're going to ask to join a meeting by tapping on that square with the plus. It says join. It's asking you for a meeting ID number, and I am going to give that to you. So you will have that. It will be in the message that I send to you via Aries and Blooms. So you will know what this is. So the meeting is, the ID number is 757-8736-1440. And we're going to ask to join this meeting. Now, when you join the meeting, your face will be here unless your camera is off. If this is red at the top, if this is red and crossed out, you do not have video or microphone. So you're going to want to turn on your microphone when you want to speak. But leave it red unless you want to speak, because if it's on, everybody can hear everything going on at your house. The video, we want to see you, and there are some other features here to chat, and to do a few other things. But this is what you will see, and then you will see me, and we'll start chatting with each other during the meeting. Once the meeting is finished, we will end the meeting. You'll either leave, or I'm going to end the meeting today. And that is about it. So if you have any questions, if you're worried in any way, just know that I'm going to be inviting you in the next week or two to a Zoom meeting, and I'll give you all the information for doing that. And if you have any trouble, we can definitely solve that. All right, I'll see you next time.